Exercise 2.5, problem 4, division 2. Okay. Problem. Find the sum of the following finite series 1 plus 11 plus 111 up to 20 terms. So here we are going straight into the solution because it's a little difficult to give you steps and asking you to do it. So I might as well work it out for you and then you can repeat it on your own. Okay. So now if you look at this series, though it's not an AP, not a GP, but if you do some manipulation to it, you can convert it into a GP. So let's see what you have to do. The key thing is that this is 10 plus 1, this is 100 plus 11, okay, something like that, something is coming up. So let's do multiply and divide by 9. So when you multiply, so basically when you multiply it, I'm taking 9 inside and I'm dividing it by 9 and keeping it out. Okay, so this will become 1 by 9 outside. This is the division part. And multiplication part, I'm taking it inside. So this will become 9 into 1, 9, 9 into 11, 99. 9 into 111 is 999 up to 20 terms. Now this can be written as 10 minus 1. This can be written as 100 minus 1. This is 1000 minus 1. Am I right? Now you can split this into two series, 10, 100, 1000 all together, group together, and all your ones you can group it into the next second group. So this can be done grouped as 1 by 9, 10 plus 10 square, that is 100, plus 10 cube up to 20 terms, because you will have 20 brackets, right? So which means you will have 20 these 10 terms and 20 of this ones. Okay, so that is what I'm saying, 20 terms, and this 1 will get repeated 20 terms. That will also get repeated 20 times because it's each term gives you 1 to this group, one number to this group. Okay, so it will give the multiples of 10 here to this group and it will always give you 1 to this group. So now we have two groups. But if you look at this, this is a GP, A is 10, and what is R? 10 square divided by 10, that is 10, right? And 10 cubed by 10 square, that is again 10. So R is 10. When you multiply A by 10, you get 100. 10 square into 10, you get 10 cubed. So it goes on. So A equal to 10 and R equal to 10 and the number of terms equal to 20. So this is a GP. But now 1 is added 20 times. If 1 is added 2 times, how much will you get? You will get 2. 1 is added 3 times, you will get 3. 1 is added 20, you will get 20. Right? So we know the formula for the geometric series, that is Sn equal to A into R to the power of n minus 1 by R minus 1 when R is greater than 1. So R is greater than 1. So that's the formula which needs to be applied. A equal to 10, R equal to 10 and n equal to 20. So you apply this formula for this group. So this will be 1 by 9 commonly out. So 10A into R to the power R is 10 to the power of n. N is 20 here. Okay. Minus 1 divided by R minus 1, that is 10 minus 1. Okay. Then what is this? As I told you, when you add 1 20 times, you will get 20. So then this will be simplified. So 1 by 9 into this will be 10 by 9 into 10 to the power of 20 minus 1 by 20. Now this you can take it out. So it will become 10 by 81 into 10 to the power of 20 minus 1, and you can multiply this. Okay. So 1 by if you multiply, this will become 20 by 9. So that's all you can do. You can't simplify it any further because it becomes very complicated. 10 to the power of 20, it is not worth it. Okay, so the sum of the finite series is equal to 10 by 81 into 10 to the power of 20 minus 1 minus 20 by 9. Okay, this is minus, it's not coming out clear. Okay, anyway, so let me repeat. So what did we do? We multiplied and divided it by 9. So when you multiply this series by 9, you'll get 999, 999. So that is what comes here. And dividing it by 9, I'm keeping it outside. Am I right? So 1 by 9. Now 9, I'm writing it as 10 minus 1. 99 is 100 minus 1. 999 is 1000 minus 1. If you see, this is and you can split this whole thing into two groups. All the 10s together, 10, 100, 1000, and all the 1s together. So this 1 is added 20 times, so that will get you 20. And this is nothing but a geometric series with A equal to 10 and R equal to 10 again, because what is your R? T2 by T1 or T3 by T2. T3 by T2 is 10 cubed minus 10 square, that is 10. 10 square divided by 10, that is also 10. So R is 10 and A equal to 10. And we have 20 terms. So N equal to 10. So apply the formula Sn equal to A into R to the power of N minus 1 by R minus 1. Because R is greater than 1, you have to use this formula. Use that formula, simplify it, you'll be able to get this value. Okay, so I hope it's clear. If not, please go through this one more time, it will become clear. Thanks for watching this video.